Hello guys and welcome to Painting Panzers. My name's Christian and today we're going to be checking out another one of the Flames of War limited edition released box sets. This particular box set is the 101st Airborne Division Army deal. Now as I said, it's a limited edition, so if this video interests you then definitely look at getting one before the limited edition release ends. So the first thing that greets you when you get the box is the Bulge Americans command cards, as well as the formation card here. So this gives you a rough idea of what you can get. There's some character command cards there, which are very cool. We can tell those names straight away from the Band of Brothers series. And then we've got some of those unit cards there. And all the unit cards in there are what make up what you get within the box. Also within the box, you get some dice and some tokens. So the dice are great. Obviously the 101st Screaming Eagle with those black dice, just iconic, look the part, and the logos look absolutely perfect. That eagle has got lots and lots of detail in there. Doesn't roll so well, but I'll let you be the judge of that. Then we've got the tokens. As you can tell, the quality and the resolution of the image on those tokens is very nice. We can see we've got a pinned down / bailed out marker here, all looking very good indeed. Lovely resolution on that image, as well as this objective marker as well. Then the second thing that we get is a load of objective markers. So there's two in the box. There's a Panther that's knocked out. The turret is one piece, so it's just one big piece of resin. Looks absolutely beautiful. Some brickwork on there as if it's crashed through a building. Lovely one piece resin there with all of the hatches open, etc. So it's a great objective marker. We've got some metal barrels to accompany those as well, so we can obviously add some nice barrels to them. And then we've got a Sherman that's also knocked out. There's some beautiful details on this Sherman as well in terms of the actual battle damage, which we'll look at in just a second. But yeah, two lovely objective marks, probably some of the best that they've released in these resin blocks thus far. Now we've got some Band of Brothers characters. Now these might be familiar to those of us that are watching, that played in the earlier days of V3, etc. and V2, where these sets were available, but they've re-released them and they are just great. Some of those are just some iconic poses from the Band of Brothers TV series, like Spears there running around. I believe this one is Nixon, but he's drinking. I don't remember Nixon having a Thompson, but perhaps he did. And then we've got just a rifleman here. So yeah, lovely addition, just having that special set back. Now we can take a look at the main infantry within this box set. And we can see we've got lots of paratroopers here. This one is with his M1 Garand. We've got another one with a bayonet here. A mix of uniforms. So some of them have got trench coats on. Some of them are just wearing their M43 uniforms. Some have got gloves on, some have got scarves on, mixture of different weaponry. So we've got the Garands, the Thompsons, bazookas, 30 cal machine guns, mortars. So this whole set has it. We've got a command figure here with a pistol and looking very command-like, and then we've got a guy crouching here. So yeah, a lovely range of figures. There's lots of variety here to make up those nice platoons full of variety, especially with those Band of Brothers miniatures added to it as well. Then we've got the mortar platoon. So the mortars are metal. They're not going with the plastic mortars this time, which is interesting, but a lovely metal set regardless. And then we've got the crew for those mortars. You can see that he's got quite a big mortar around there, and then we've got the firing pose. Then following on from that, we've got the 57mm anti-tank platoon. The 57mm gun is a 6-pounder sprue, so it's got the variety of guns on there to make each different type of gun. Obviously we want the 57mm gun, and then we've got some of those poses. Now if you do want to know how to make up these sprues that you see, Battlefront have some assembly guides on their website which are going to come in very handy. Then we've got the 75mm artillery battery. So there's 4 guns in there, and you can tell that they're using this para blister. I believe this would be the same for the British as well. And then we can see some of those figures as well in that blister. And then finally, we've got a plastic sprue of Jeeps. Now this plastic sprue of Jeeps is a universal sprue, so it can do the British as well as the US, but it's the typical Battlefront sprue that you would expect from their vehicles. Lots and lots of detail in there, as well as these amazing metal seated figures, which was a lovely touch from Battlefront. Now, all in all, you're going to get 74 points of miniatures. Now 74 points seems like a hell of a lot of points for what you're getting, and that's because the platoons in here are super strong, very, very strong indeed, and yeah, that really sums up what you're paying for. But then if you want to complement that box set, so you've pretty much got a full box set already, you just need to find 26 points from somewhere. So I decided, I think, 2 P47s, so that's just one box set of P47s as well as a box set of M18s will do the trick very, very nicely. Those P47s will deal with any of those big cats, and the M18s will hopefully act as like martyrs, whilst the rest of the infantry do all the hard work. Now I do have a painting tutorial just around the corner. I think it's like 3 days away. It's available for my members currently, and then it'll come available in a few days time, so keep an eye out for that one. So yeah, all in all, a lovely, lovely box set. I think Battlefront's box sets recently have really hit the mark. All of these box sets that they've been releasing are just amazing, and I've had to really find myself resisting grabbing other ones. I do have the Volksgrenadier box set as well, that I managed to snag on eBay for a really, really good price. So we will see that one in a future video. But if you want to grab yourself this box set, make sure you don't wait too long, because as I said, they are a limited release. So I'm not sure when it's going to end, but obviously it's going to end at some point. So a massive thank you goes out to my Patreons and YouTube channel members for making videos like this possible, and for helping me acquire this box set to put on the channel and to help paint as a tutorial for obviously the rest of the viewers. Alright guys, I'm going to leave it here, and I will catch you at the next one.